My name is Alan. I am an American. I'm in my upper 50s, living in Torino. At best, I speak A1 Italian. Every now and then I take Italian lessons. Due to my position at my job, my company paid for an Italian auto scuola. And I went there and I tried my best to learn as much as possible. And then I went on their app and I've taken all the quizzes, and there's so many different questions that I would always get wrong. And no matter what, I wouldn't be able to understand why I was getting them wrong. So I went on a Facebook page and I learned about Ambrish, a Facebook page for foreigners taking the Folio Rosa. And I learned about Ambrish. And so because I travel a lot for work, I ended up only taking the online courses. And I tell you, I would be at home, I don't know, 9 p.m., 10 p.m., maybe it's 5 o'clock in the morning before I get ready to leave for a flight. I'd watch his courses. And there'll be moments, I'm there alone, in my shorts, in my t-shirt, and he'd say something about, this is how you need to interpret this question. This is how you need to understand what I'm telling you about this particular subject. And I would literally stand up and go, Ambrish, you are a freaking genius. You are amazing. I will never get this question wrong again. And I never have. And so I've taken his classes online, not all the chapters, but not online, I'm sorry, online in the videotapes, but it helped me pass. I found out that I passed today. I don't know yet how many questions I got right or wrong. I'll know that tomorrow, but I did find out that I passed. I feel like I didn't get any wrong. So thank you, Ambrish. And actually, there's a guy in my class. We went, he took a second time and he failed twice, and he didn't know about Ambrish's classes, and I gave him the number. And I recommend everybody that doesn't speak Italian to just give it a shot, because I wouldn't have passed without his classes. Okay, everybody who's watching this, good luck on your, on your exam, on your journey. Thanks.